Welcome to MetaMask versus Cobo wallet. Which crypto wallet is better? Links to both wallets are included in the description for your convenience. In this video, we'll compare these two wallets based on features, target users, security, and overall usability, so you can make an informed choice that fits your crypto needs. MetaMask is a widely used wallet primarily for Ethereum and Ethereum-compatible networks such as Binance Smart Chain, Polygon, and Avalanche. It's available as both a browser extension and a mobile app, making it highly versatile for managing assets and engaging with decentralized applications, dApps. With its integrated token swap feature and Web3 compatibility, MetaMask is a go-to for users active in DeFi protocols, NFTs, and other Ethereum-based ecosystems. However, it's a hot wallet, which means users must be cautious about securing their private keys and avoiding phishing attacks. On the other hand, Cobo Wallet caters to users seeking more diverse asset support and robust security features. Cobo offers both hot wallet functionality via its app and cold storage options like the Cobo Vault hardware wallet. This dual approach is ideal for users who need to manage assets on the go while securing their long-term holdings offline. It supports a wide range of cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and many altcoins, making it a versatile solution. Cobo also excels in staking services, enabling users to earn passive income on assets like Polkadot, Cosmos, and Tezos. Additionally, its multi-signature feature and focus on institutional-grade security make it appealing to advanced users and organizations. To summarize, MetaMask is best suited for users heavily involved in the Ethereum ecosystem, particularly those interacting with dApps, NFTs, or DeFi. Cobo Wallet, however, is a great option for users looking for a balance between hot wallet convenience, hardware-level security, and staking capabilities. The choice ultimately depends on your specific use case, whether you prioritize Ethereum compatibility or broader functionality with an emphasis on security. Check out the links in the description to explore these wallets further, and let us know your choice in the comments below.